Hi. Alam mo, gusto ko basahin sa ito, Romans chapter 10, verse 9. Sabi rito, but because if you confess with your mouth that Jesus is Lord and believe in your heart that God raised Him from the dead, you will be saved. So, napakadali. Sabi nga dito, if you confess with your mouth that Jesus is Lord, you will be saved. And believe in your heart that God raised Him from the dead, you will be saved. So, di ba, ano yung una sinabi? Confess mo that Jesus is Lord. Alam mo, sa panahon ngayon, mahirap to. Or madaling sabihin na may God, madaling sabihin na God is existing, di ba? Pero to say that Jesus is Lord is something na, ha? Bakit? Paano? Tao lang naman din siya. Bakit namatay nga siya di ba? Pero what Jesus did for us is for us. What Jesus did, all of His miracles na ginawa niya sa buhay natin, ginawa niya, hindi lang sa buhay natin, sa ibang tao. Alam mo, it proves that Jesus is Lord. He healed the sick, He fed the 5,000, He rose from the dead, diba? He turned water into wine, and siya lang yung niluluhodan, pinu-worship na hindi tumatangging. Huwag mo akong masambahin. Diba? Kasi si Jesus is the God. Sabi nga sa John, sa last book ng John, if isusulat lahat ng mga ginawa ng Panginoong Jesus, kulang ang lahat ng aklat sa mundo. Why? Because until now, from the very existence of the world, from the very beginning, kumikilos na si Jesus. Until now, your testimony, my testimonies are part of His book na patuloy siya kumikilos. So, it defines na Jesus is Lord. This Lordship of Jesus is something na He is the Lord. Not just the Lord, He is the Lord of Lords. He is the King. And not just the King, but He is the King of Kings. So sabi nga dito, kaya dinugsong dito, believe in your heart that God raised Him from the dead. Bakit? The moment that God raised Him from the dead, it signifies na He is God. Tapos. Kasi sa lahat na sinabi niya, totoo. Hindi siya nabuhay na magmuli, sabi nga, walang katuturan ng ating pag-uusap, walang katuturan ng pananampalataya ang ating faith. But Jesus rose again. So yun lang. It's a reminder that sabi nga dito, for with the heart one believes is justified, and with the mouth that confess is safe. So yun lang. God bless.